go. Flat down to mid to right 4 plus long, 230. 230, left 3 opens long, left 3 opens long, 80 into left 2, left 2 and right 3 and left 6, right 3, left 6 into right 5 and 130 into right 6 tightens and right 4 over small crest, 200 down middle, 200 down middle to right over small, 80, 200 down middle, right small over crest, 80 slowing to left 3 tight, left 3 tight, small crest and left 3 continues into double caution, left over small crest, left over small crest into square right. This is square right, left over small crest into square right. Small crest stay middle, left 5 long 100, right 5, it's 100, right 5 into left 6 over small crest, caution left 1 tight, that's caution left 1 tight, and right 2 long, into left 2 tight, left 2 tight, into right 4, and small crest long into right 5, 100, into left 5, tightens into left 3, left 5 into left 3, into small crest, and left 3 opens long, and 60, right 6 over small crest, caution, double caution turn, left 5 long into hairpin left, drive and carry. So hairpin left, drive and carry, here it is. Right 3, right 3 into right 4 opens long, 150 up middle, left 150 up middle, left 5 plus 80, small crest stay middle 100, left 3 late, left 3 late, here it is, into right 4 and right 3 and left 4 into right 2 opens and right 5 long into left 6, 80 triangle ahead, turn hairpin right into left 1, so hairpin right into left 1 round triangle, to left 1, hairpin right tightens long and left 1 long into right 2 long, left 1 long, to right 2 long, don't cut, and hairpin left, open carry, 60, right 6 over small crest, down to right 2, so down to right 2, 100 up middle, right 5, 100, right 5, 100, left 4 into right 2 slippy over finish, 200 into left 1 stop.